Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. I'm going to see if I can get through this video without laughing. But I was just talking about these massive ranges yesterday, and then today blew that completely out of the water. This is the NASDAQ 2,651.75 range out of an average of 875. And let's be clear, 875 is big for the NASDAQ. I mean, that's only because of these last few days influencing that average. So somebody wrote in yesterday and asked, well, how do I get this on my chart? So I'm going to walk you through. It's super simple. All it is a combination of two different indicators down here. So on NinjaTrader, what we would do is we would go to indicators and you would scroll down to range, just the regular range. You can see I already have it here. And then I would suggest you do it on each tick. So you're seeing it in real time. I have 256 max look back, but you can change that to whatever you would like. You can also change the color, the size of the line, whatever you would like to do. And the key is to put it in panel 2. So right here, you are not wanting it on your main panel, you're wanting it in your second panel, which is down here. Then you're also going to put on an average true range. That's going to be a white line. Again, you can make it whatever you want, but I use 14 days. Some people prefer 7, so you can see which one works better for you. Again, on each tick, 256 max look back, and also in panel 2. If you have it on a separate, like third panel, it obviously won't overlay on top of the range, which is really what we want to see. Again, you can change the color and the pixels for the line, but that's it. That's as easy as it gets. So you would click apply, say okay, and you will have your fancy new indicator down here. So while we're looking at this, let's just update our targets because clearly these are no longer. Let's do this. And obviously for the low side, I mean, the low of today, which is insanely much lower than where we are now. So I hope you had a really great day today. I hope you were able to pick some of that up. I was just trading earlier this morning, so I wasn't even trading during this massive, massive rally, but I hope that it worked out well for you. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.